Welcome to COMARKER, a program designed to make marking and evaluating essays much easier. As a marker, I've been invited to COMARKER by my administrator, Richard Gage, and the system has automatically sent me an email informing me of my username, password, and where I can log in. So I'm going to click on the link that takes me to the login. Here I'll sign in for the first time using the username and password in the email. And when I get in, the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to go to Profile up in the top right corner of the screen, and I'm going to change my username and password because the username is very long and I don't want to type that every time. And the password is just my last name, and so I don't want just anyone to be able to access the program. And then save the settings and close the window. Okay, so I can see already that my student Adam Curry has submitted a document called Macbeth Essay, and I would like to mark that. So let's open it up and see what he's written. I want to see it in full screen, so I have a better view of the whole document, and I'm going to click full screen there. And I can see right away that he's made a verb tense error in the first sentence, so I'm going to make a comment on that by just typing it in the comment window, apply it, and move on. Here, there is a problem with the citation. So Shakespeare needs to be cited in a specific way, and he hasn't done anything resembling that. Let's make that comment. Further on down, there's a problem with the numerical agreement. So this thoughts should actually be these thoughts, and because there are a number of thoughts following from it. So let's make that comment. Now there are some things that I want to draw his attention to without commenting. So I'm just going to highlight those and apply red ink to them without any comments attached. So there's some citation problems down here, just as he's already made up top and I've already commented on. And we'll call that done. So I'm going to give Adam a chance to fix these mistakes and then return a better draft. So let's just return the document to him and see what he does. When we see he's done that, we'll see in status that it is shifted to submitted. So I've seen that Adam has resubmitted the draft. Some time has passed, and we're on draft 2. Let's open that up, see what he's done. Has he addressed my criticisms? I see already that he's made some changes, but he hasn't made all of them. For example, where I've had red highlights, there are no changes. He didn't understand what I wanted there, or maybe he was too lazy to do it. So I'm going to evaluate the essay at this point. I'm going to evaluate it using the 6 traits writing rubric that comes preloaded with COMARKER. I think that he wrote a pretty good essay, so even in spite of the omissions that he made in his revision, let's give him some good strong scores. For example, his ideas and content strong, organization strong, voice was quite strong, word choice was good again. Sentence fluency was pretty strong. The conventions, though, were where he let us down. So let's knock him back a mark for that. He forgot to cite sources even after we pointed them out to him. So let's create a report, which is what he will see when he opens the evaluation. I'm basically happy with the effort that Adam put in. So he made a good effort, but the revision process, again, let him down. So I'm going to say that here and tell him that he needs to remember the importance of citing sources. And I'm going to save and close the report, which will send it back to Adam. And that's basically it. There's one trip through an essay. It's very easy, it's quite fast, and it should save me a lot of time over marking a stack of papers with my red pen.